Yeah, ma'am. It's okay now.
Okay. 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 Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I can see.
Okay. Welcome, everybody. Now we are working on tele-collaboration project, India and Bangladesh teachers. Not slideshow, Nanna. Okay. See here, sir. First of all, we are going to introduce ourselves, and they have given us the topic, present yourself and school life. Okay. First
Sure,
of
ma'am.
all, shall I introduce myself?
Sure, ma'am.
Yes, sir. My name is Saili ma'am, you know very well. I'm Vidya Pagar, having professional qualification uh, and teaching in a secondary school from the last 34 years. Now, school name, I'm teaching at Pimpalgaon High School. Pimpalgaon High School is the name of my school, and Pimpalgaon is the name of the village.
Oh, yes, yes.
My village name is also Pimpalgaon, and the school name is Pimpalgaon High School. There are total 33 divisions in my school from class 5th to 10th, and the total strength of the students is 1,554. See, this is the image of my school. It's built in British era. This is, can you see the pic, sir? Saili
Yes,
ma'am?
yes, ma'am. I can.
Okay. In this way, there are 4 wings. This type of wings are there. Very large building built in stones. We live in rural area, but our village is famous for onion market in total Asia region. It is the #1 market in Asia region for onions. Onions and grapes also. It is famous for grapes and onion produce. Mr. Ashok More is our principal. Or you can call him headmaster.
Yeah, yeah. Headmaster.
Yeah. I teach 9th and 10th classes. Then next, why are you studying? Why are you teaching this? When I was studying in a secondary school, I used to teach lower classes students from my neighboring houses. As we were so many girls, total 19 in our joint family, my father wanted to make us independent immediately. And at that time, 2 years diploma course of a teacher was easily available after 10th. So he admitted us one by one to D.Ed College, and we 13 sisters are now in teaching profession.
Okay.
While doing job, we all completed our graduation and post-graduation. Though I was not interested in teaching initially, but after time being, I got interested in my profession, and now it's my passion. In my college life, I became aware of the English subject and its importance, and I thought that I would not be able to guide my own children if I don't study English subject. So I completed my graduation in English. Our next topic is school campus. Luckily, we have a vast school ground all around the school building with a lot of greenery. Our school building is like a fort built in stones. This is the only open space in the whole village. So all the village people come here for exercise and for taking morning walk and evening walk and all. There is no open space in the whole village. Now, there are so many buildings in my school campus: gymnasium, auditorium, industrial training institute, that is ITI, hostel for girls, boys high school, girls high school, meeting hall, central kitchen, and prayer hall. All these buildings are there in our campus. There are total 7 branches with huge staff. My school established in 1942, that is in British era. the oldest in the district. Classes are spacious and airy. So also we conduct the classes in 2 shifts. Our school is the center of so many exams. Like it is the center of SSC and HSC exams, scholarship exams, music exams are also conducted there from the district, from the taluka level. Drawing exams are also conducted there. Navodaya exams, ITI exams, typing exams, all these centers are there in my school. It is the center of so many exams. Then there is a big library, labs. We conduct science exhibitions on a local level every year. Then gatherings. We also conduct NCC and MCC parade is the center of attraction in our school. On 15th of August and 26th January is a women attraction. My institute has started ITI and 11th and 12th science stream. We also, there is a scout unit in our school. We held rallies at different occasions. We also conduct health checkup camps in our school twice a year. See the tree plantation drive we conduct every year in the month of June. Then we also held fun fair and games, sports days. Then Run for the Town is the main attraction of our school. Many schools in the surrounding area participate in this competition. We also, every year we held annual sports day. Drawing competition is also taken on a large scale in our school. Then every Saturday we take yoga classes. I have done the basic course in yoga. Then meditation, we take 10 minutes meditation twice at the beginning of the school and at the end of the school every day. 10 minutes meditation, that is called Anapan. We also take our students for trekking in the rainy season. We participate in different drives just like Clean India. FALI is our project, new project. FALI means Future Agriculture Leaders of India. We give training to our students how to grow vegetables. There is a greenhouse in our school and there our children grow vegetables. See spinach, lady's fingers, so many vegetables, they grow there. Then ours is a private institute aided by government. We also give yoga, anapan, meditation training. We also give farming training. Now in COVID-19, we miss our students. That is just like homesick, we are now school sick. Different rallies are conducted by our scouts and guide students, just like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, etc. About the normal school day, our school begins at 7:20 with prayer. After that, meditation of 10 minutes. In the recess, we provide midday meal. Every day on 8th period, we again conduct 10 minutes Anapan. That is meditation. There is a large playground. Children enjoy there. In this way, our day is busy with different activities and we enjoy our school day. Now the next is your favorite subject and why. English, yoga and meditation are my favorite subjects. I have taken yoga's basic training as well as have done meditation courses thrice at the Igatpuri Center and I conduct Anapan in school. Why I choose the subject? Most of the students are from slum area, that is laborers family. I try to improve their English as there is no one in their family to guide them, teach them, and they can't afford classes or tuitions. They depend upon me. I know my responsibility, so I try my best to reach them. Thank you. Now, Zoa sir, you can introduce yourself.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your presentation was excellent. I told you before that I'm new here, so I just try to create a PPT, very small. I just try because I had no idea.
Yes, and we also have no time to prepare all this.
And here Ramadan here, and tomorrow Eid al-Fitr here. So
Yes.
first of all, I would like to Eid Mubarak to all of you. Happy Eid.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
Okay, now I'm going to share my screen. It needs permission, ma'am.
Yes, I have given the permission. Call, please.
No.
Sir is saying that you haven't given me permission, but I have given him the permission. No?
Here I see host disabled, participant screen sharing.
Now I'm going to make you host. Make host. Make host. Okay. Yes. Recording on. Yes, sir.
Yeah, now I can share.
Sit here. Only.
Can you see my screen, ma'am?
Yes.
Today is our first session, and we know it's about tele collaboration project. And we know the topic is introduction with partner and introduce myself and my school. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Mohammad Shamsud Doha, nickname Shams Joha. You can call me Joha. I'm a assistant teacher of English in a secondary school. Its name is Gangur High School. It is located in Niyampur. It's a Upazila. You know Upazila?
Yeah.
Yeah, and district is Naugan, Bangladesh. And its division is Rajshahi. You know, in India, there are a lot of state, but here no state. It's division. There are 7 division in our country. So we are in Rajshahi division.
Okay.
This is my school, Gangur High School. You can see. I completed my secondary school certificate from here.
Okay.
And my school is was established in 1965. It's an old school, and you know it is in a rural area, a village. It's called Gangur. The name of this village is Gangur, and my school name also is Gangur, and it is village. You know, here 90% student can connect with no connection, no connectivity facilities here.
Okay.
Maybe only 10% student can take this advantage. And after achieving my secondary school certificate from here, I go to Rajshahi. You know, it's a division, and it's also called City of Education. I took my higher secondary school certificate from New Government Degree College. It is located in Rajshahi. It's a College. It established in 1966, and it is one of the best colleges in Bangladesh.
Okay.
And here you can see Rajshahi College.
Rajshahi College.
Yeah, it's a nice building. It established in uh, 1873. I have completed my graduation from here. I completed here BA honors in English. But sorry to say, I'm still a little bit weak in English.
We don't think so.
Uh, After completing my graduation, I think about my profession. Then my first choice was to be a doctor or engineer. But in a college level, my result was not so good. That's why I was upset, very upset. Then I uh, decided to study in English, and after completing my graduation, I think I should be a doctor because I can't be I can't be a doctor, so I decide to be a teacher. And in Bangladesh, since 2005, there is a organization it called NTRCA, that means Non-Government Teachers Registration and Certification Authority. If you want to be a teacher, you have to pass
Hmm.
the exam. You have to pass this exam. The exam is teachers registration examination, and I passed here in 2012, and I apply in my own school where I passed SSC,
Very-
secondary school certificate, and I joined there in 2013, 4th April,
Mhm.
as an assistant teacher of English. I am so lucky that uh, from which school I finished my SSC, I joined this school again. That's why I'm so lucky. I feel I'm so proud of it. You can see in the pictures my student. It's not a big school. In villages, there are not so student in the schools. Although we have 460 students now, but it was more before, more than 600, but now 450, because there are a lot of new school around us. Here, eh, here we teach students 6 to 10th grade, 6 to 10. Actually, I'm missing the proper order, ma'am, so I'm sorry for
Okay.
that. Now you can see some activities of my student. At first you see books distribution that held every year in January 1st day. We call it Boi Divos. Our government
Sorry.
provide books to every student on 1st January, and it's totally free. Our government provide books from primary to intermediate level, I mean college. And 1st January, we distribute books to all our student.
School year January to December है का?
And from 2 January, that means 2nd of January, we started class. You can see the picture raising national flag. We start our day with raising national flag, then uh, national anthem, and after finishing this, we start our class. It begins from 10 and end 4 p.m. You can see a prize giving here. Uh, we arrange some competition such as drawing, essay writing, singing, and we gave them prize. You can see in the picture our headmaster. He is Atul Chandropal. He is our headmaster, and he is giving prize.
My figure. Girl guide.
Here you can see Girl Guide. I told you it's a village, so we are still not so advanced like towns or cities, but we are trying to do our best. We have a Girl Guide, Boys Scout, but I can't show their picture because now school is closed, so I can't collect pictures from school. And you see students are cleaning schools, uh, their classroom, field. We have a field not so big. In You can see first picture the field, and third picture you see our headmaster is cleaning his room. That is his personal room, and he's cleaning. So uh, that's all, ma'am, because I told you I was so tensed, I was so stressed because I had no idea about it. I'm sorry for that. I hope uh, next time I will try to better from
No,
this.
no, sir. These PPTs are very nice.
Thank you so much, but I know it's not so good.
No, 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 no. They are very nice. So now you can make Siley ma'am host.
Yes.
Hello, am
I
I
did.
audible?
Yeah, ma'am, I can
Yes,
see.
yes, ma'am.
I make you host now.
Yes, I am now host. Okay.
There
Sir,
is so much material with Siley ma'am now.
no, madam, that is not prepared for this project, but now due to Vidya ma'am, I have plugged into it. But let's see whether I am so poor in technology. First of all, sir, in Mubarak to you,
Thank you, thank you, thank you so
sir.
much, ma'am.
And both of you have presented yourself, your identification, projects, and
Ma'am, you
just
are not poor in technology. You have conducted 100 webinars.
yes, but I was not. Sir, you are so lucky because you have studied up to 10th in that school. Here you are working as a teacher. So, to us, sir, it's a very pleasantest thing that you have got an opportunity to serve your school there. And
Yes, ma'am.
all your past memories might have been awakened every day, freshened every day with you. That's a very good thing for you. I like it
Ma'am,
very much.
ma'am, I was forget to say that there is a primary school also,
Up to fifth.
and
Up to fifth.
I finished my primary education from here because it's primary and high school.
Both in the same school you have completed primary and high school. So your primary school is from first to fifth standard.
No, primary is from fifth, elementary to fifth.
5th to 7th,
No, only fifth, ma'am.
up to
Only
5th.
fifth.
It means
Then
from elementary, pre-primary. At first pre-primary, then first 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth.
okay. And high school education is from 6th standard.
Sixth, yeah, 6 to 10th.
Okay. And higher secondary from 11, 12.
Yeah.
And then senior college, junior college and senior college.
And academic year is from January to December, sir.
From secondary school. Here, secondary school and primary school start from January.
Secondary and primary from
Yeah.
January to December.
Yeah. But in college, intermediate, their schedule is different. Maybe it's June or July.
Yeah, ours is from June to April.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. And we call it intermediate level, and after that we call college. That means you can go there for graduation. That we call college.
So we have also Saili ma'am and I worked with RMSA. RMSA, that is Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan. Then we also worked with British Council. We gave trainings to district level.
Yeah. I missed this. I didn't do this, but I have planned to work with British Council.
Madam, can you see some photos on the screen, ma'am?
Which ma'am?
Can you see some photos on the screen?
No. We can't see anything.
Okay.
Share screen.
Uh,
Yes.
Yeah, now we can see.
Yes.
Now?
Yeah, we can see the screen now.
Okay. Video open.
We have a lot of time, Saili ma'am, now.
Sir, this is video shooted by my students in my school. This is my school. Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, did you understand that was the Marathi song, but it introduced understand the meaning of the song? You
Sound.
get something?
I can't hear the sound clearly. It was a little bit lower.
Okay. The in this pandemic situation, the school is closed near about from March 2020. Not opened. Online education is going on. That's why the school was shielded during the pandemic period by. Am I audible to you, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, I can hear, but it's looking a little bit
Huh.
lower.
Sound is very low.
Okay, I have to increase my volume.
Yeah,
Yes.
madam. Yeah.
Is it audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay now.
It's okay now, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. First of all, I have to introduce myself. I am Mrs. Saili Arun Mahajan. I am a secondary school teacher from 1998. I am serving in the same school. My city is from 200.
You are not audible, ma'am, now.
Vidya, ma'am, can you hear clearly?
No.
The same
I
problem
hear
with
both
me.
of you. I hear. Hello. Hello.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's okay now.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have to hold
Hello.
the speaker.
Now
like
it's
this.
now it's clear, ma'am.
Okay.
Kamal
So-
sir is present here.
Hi. I'm glad to see you here, sir. Please.
Yeah.
Welcome, sir.
On your
Thank you
video.
very much. I am trying very much, but network problem, so I could not.
Sir,
Okay, it's okay.
are you there in the rural part of Bangladesh? Mohammed sir?
Semi-rural part.
Okay.
You missed so many things, sir.
Semi-rural part. I live in a municipality.
Okay. No problem, sir. Let's means both of them have finished their presentation, introductions, and now on proper time you have joined because it was expected that I'm Mrs. Saili Arun Mahajan. How to conduct the meeting with you, sir. So
Thank you.
I'm glad to see you here. Some air. Will you unmute
Thank
your
you,
mic?
ma'am.
Unmute your mic.
Yes.
Unmute.
Okay.
Can you hear me,
Yes. Hello.
ma'am?
Yes, sir. We
I am
can.
Mohammed Mustafa Kamal. Hello.
Hello.
I am Mohammed Mustafa Kamal, head teacher. Hello.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Can you
Sir,
hear me?
I can hear, sir.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear.
Thank you. I am.
Mustafa sir.
Thank you. I am Mohammed Mustafa Kamal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed sir. Your turn will be there after me. So unmute your voice. Unmute.
Mute, mute.
Unmute. Yes.
Yeah.
Mute. Not unmute. Mute your speaker.
Yes. Mute. Okay. Sir, now you might be listening us, listening me, Mohammed sir. That will be nice. So my introduction is I am Mrs. Saili Arun Mahajan. I am a secondary teacher. I have been working as a teacher, as an English teacher
Shall I unmute?
since 1998. before that, for 5 years, I was appointed in the junior college for 11th and 12th standard students in 1995, but it didn't last for a long time. So I was shifted from junior college to high school as a teacher in the same school. Vidya ma'am and I both have been working from 2007 as master trainers for English subject for our district Nasik. It is a famous city in not only in Maharashtra but in India for grapes, and now in Nasik also wine is prepared from the grapes. So it is called a grape city. It is also called a wine city. So many people love to visit our Nasik city.
Currency
So,
press.
currency note press is there. Yes. And
HL,
industry,
aeroplane.
yes, aeroplanes, MiG aeroplanes are
Factory is there.
manufactured in our district. So it is a well-known district in India and even in abroad. And my school is situated in the heart of the city, and it was established in 1971.
Ma'am, also
Yes.
some incidents from Ramayana happened in Nasik.
Rama, while traveling, came here. It is Dandakaranya. You might have heard in
It's a holy city.
Hindu mythology. So, as you adore Allah in the same way, we very much pray to the God Rama and his wife Sita. Both are the ideals, or it is an ideal couple for Hindu religion. So that few uh, uh, months of his life are spent here in Dandakaranya. Both were living here, and so many mythological stories are there regarding related to this place, city.
Holy
So,
city.
holy, it's a holy, it's an industrial city, it's a holy city, it's a cultural city, it's an means innovative type of city, a good city, and mostly it is a hill station. It's a cool city. It's better than Mumbai. Climate is best here, so many people prefer to live here. So if it is possible for you, I will invite you to visit here, Nasik. Not now, not within 1 or 2 years. Whenever you will plan in your life to visit Nasik, I will be glad to welcome you.
Post COVID.
Yeah. And I am a traveler, and I love to travel very much. That's why I like to visit new places.
She is a free bird.
Yes, like a free bird. So my favorite subject is English. I have completed MA education in MA English and MA sociology, means master degrees, and MA in education, means in 3 subjects I have completed my masters. And now favorite subject is English, of course, and I like to teach English in the innovative kind of way. And Vidya ma'am and I both were the resource persons and also mentor for our teachers for the schools surrounding 5 kilometers area of our my school. So we were mentor for these schools. So we uh, shared ideas with each other. We shared the innovative pedagogy of teaching English and interactive, collaborative kind of methodologies with each other. And we observed lessons of each other. And after observations, we gave the creative kind of feedback, or we can say it constructive kind of feedback. so that it was not the way to say that this was not right in your lesson, you should have that was not the way to tell. But through the chit chatting in the friendly way of manner, we suggested that if you should have done your lesson this way, like this way, so it would have been more better for you or for the students. In this way, we suggested the suggestions for them, and in this way very good team we have created in the schools around us. So here are some are the photo snaps I have collected from. Yes. Interactive method, collaborative method means activity based classroom means that we have shifted our teaching pedagogies from teacher centered to the student centered classrooms. So mostly during the 30 minutes or 35 minutes lecture, teacher doesn't go on talking English and English only, and students are not at all passive, or they don't just listen, but we give them opportunity to interact with each other, either in a pair or in a group, or this in this snap you will see that some means we divided the students into the group of five, and they present their presentation means a small part of a lesson or a poem, a stanza of a poem is distributed to them to teach on their own way. Either they want to teach just through lecturing method, or through diagrams, or through the pictures, or by using ICT technology. So this is one of the groups which is teaching their group task in the ICT hall, ICT lecture. And you can see that so enthusiastically the remaining class has involved in teaching and learning process, because the very joyfully or eagerly these students are waiting to answer the questions asked by the presenters. So this this is going on in our school from near about 2007. Means Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, means RMSA in short we were calling it. The trainings were arranged by Yashada, and Yashada is a very popular institution in India which trains the MPSC, UPSC officers only. But we are very fortunate teachers that we teachers were trained at the state level by Yashada, and after returning back from the state level at the district level, we were cascading our trainings to the local teachers of taluka levels or rural level, so that they can change their way of teaching in their classrooms. So this in these snaps, this is the mingle activity that students, girl students and boys students mingle with each other, and they collect information, or they ask target questions. One or two questions are given by the teacher to ask, and they just interact with each other and ask the question in proper tone, intonation pattern. For example, if it is a yes no question, then they use the rising tone, and if it is a WH question, they use the falling tone. In this way, this tone intonation practice is being done through this activity. And this is the this is the next snap in which one of the lessons was about Mary Kom, and her interview is there in the lesson. So this boy is playing the role of an interviewer, and this is the girl student who is playing the role of Mary Kom, and the boy is asking questions, at the same time girl is answering the questions. They can look into the course book, and they can answer, he can ask questions from the course book, and she can answer the answers from the course book. And these students pay attention into the course book, remaining students. but remaining students are also given an opportunity to ask at least one question to Mary Kom at the end of the lesson, so that they are not only the passive listeners. This is also a snap in which uh, group activity is going on. Students are sitting on the floor or on the desk. They can adjust the desk and they can sit. They have to sit. They must sit face to face. And some teaching material is provided by the teacher. Xerox copies of paragraphs, and each paragraph is having a certain title of its meaning, and these students are doing completing the group task. They are matching the paragraphs with their titles, and the group which completes the task first, the group says bingo. Bingo means they have completed their task, and the teacher just uh, checks it, assesses it. If it is correct, then the teacher declares that this group is the winner group into the class. So if we can shift our class even on the playground, and on the playground we learn English there too, and the students feel very free because they don't like just sit inside the four walls for continuously 5 to 6 hours. So it's better we mostly conduct our English periods on the playgrounds, and I have noticed that students learn English by heart outside the four walls of the classroom. This is also one of the pictures of a game. This is a hot seat game. Means a word is written on the blackboard, and these girls are giving clues by using synonyms, opposites, mime, or moment. And this girl is trying to identify which word is written there at the back of her. That is called hot seat game, or back to the board. You can see the happy faces of these girls. This is also one of the activities. Uh, some worksheets are provided by the teacher, and the students are sitting back to back with a notebook, and without turning head they have to read the sentence. The student listens and writes it down. Then the sentence is means both the worksheets are having sentences, A worksheet and B worksheets. The sentences which are there in the A worksheet are not there in the B worksheet, and the sentences which are there in the B worksheet are not there in the A worksheet. So with collaboratively they complete both the worksheets. So their force linguistic skills are very nicely developed here. Means they read out, they listen, they speak, and they write too. So all four linguistic skills are very nicely uh, covered in that activity. This is also one of the snaps of group presentation in the classroom. Then this is also a mingle activity. They are asking each other the questions, and so attentively they are listening to the responses of each other. This is also one of the activities running comprehension, that teacher has prepared 25 to 30 questions on a particular lesson, and these sheets are kept here on the table, and the students are running, and at a time one group member runs, at a time only he picks up only one sheet, goes back and completes, find out its answer, writes it down in the notebook, again puts that same sheet and brings the another sheet in this way. So uh, this is also one of the activity of currency game. That this game is related to currency game, and so many different kinds of activity based teaching tactics are there with us. We will share you with you in these 15 sessions. These are few snaps. Okay. Uh, so in my school there are 30 classrooms, 30 classrooms from 5th to 10th, and in the same building primary education, primary school, schools is there in the morning session, and secondary school is there in the afternoon session from 12 o'clock to 5:30 o'clock. And midday meal is there in our school, and this is all I talked to you about the curriculum and the new teaching methodology. But co-curriculum activities too I conduct in my school, because this is also important for the students' versatile kind of development. So, field visits I always arrange in my school. Then honeybee project I established on the school terrace from 2013 to 2018. That project was going on. We were collecting honey, and even we were selling honey. And that was just to give the students a lesson of environment and eco-friendly system, and create awareness among the farmers, that my students played the role of a messenger to create awareness among the farmers that they should install at least one honeybee box for 1 acre area of their farming, to increase through pollination, to increase their product. So this was just for the social awareness and for environmental awareness, and students should learn how to become busy, like honeybee in life. That was the best lesson for the students. So they all observed the honeybee, working honeybees, and their nests when there was uh, a free time for them to work practically. Then in my school, I myself has willingly taken responsibility of cleanliness during the midday meal, and washroom cleanliness of and girls hygiene, and the my through my initiative, Gujarati Mahila Mandal has donated the sanitary vending machine and the incinerator machine to my school, and it proves very helpful to my girl students. And I mostly manage this for the girls, so that girls do not get any problem during the school hours too. And we every year we conduct a Vyavasay Margadarshan Parishad, means conference, where in which we invite the people who are great or who have proved themselves successful businessmen in the outside world. So we invite them in the school, and they deliver lecture in front of our students, so that the students can get proper navigation after 10th. What should I do, and what are my likings and my hobbies, and what path should I choose after the 10th, after completing the 10th. So this proper guidance they should be given up to 10th, so that they can't get confused in the remaining life, or they can't get diverted from their own likings and dislikings. So I think the most important thing is, from last 3 years our school result of SSC board is 100%, and means not a single student fails in that board exam. That is a very unique achievement in the Marathi medium school. Means ours is not an English medium school; it is the vernacular kind of school. But and all students are not from the means sophisticated or good kind of family, middle class family. Uh, Half of these children are from poor slum area, or where they do not have even a newspaper to read every day. They do not have what can we say, uh, good facilities, or some have mother single parenting, some have even no mother and no father. They live with the grandparents, and some are the maid servants, or some are workers, parents are workers, and in this way they don't have any background to develop themselves in English language, particularly in English language. That's why we teachers take hard efforts to encourage them to speak English, to involve them in teaching and learning process, to create confidence among them. Though they speak wrongly, we encourage them. It's right. You go on speaking, no problem. One day or another, through this practice, and practice, practice makes man perfect. They one day they start speaking very fluently and without any kind of hesitance or inferiority complex. So this is I think how many students pass and how many students fail. This is not important, but this is very important. If life skills we have inculcated among them, and they are able to survive in the life, and whatever the obstacles may be there in the future, our students should be mentally, physically, intellectually rough and tough to fight the situation, so that they will not tend to do the suicide in life. This is the most important thing. And that's all. Thank you. You all listened me so patiently
Thank you, ma'am.
for a long time.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Nice presentation, ma'am. Now, ma'am, you can make Muhammad sir host.
Okay. Where shall I click, ma'am? What for?
You can check in participants.
Fitting information?
No,
Post Vidya Pagar?
No, no.
Hello.
You
click
can
on,
make Kamal sir.
you can click on participants. Then we'll
Yes.
see the members.
Okay. Participant. Then Muhammad sir, okay?
Okay, click on Kamal sir's name.
You will see the options to make him
Hello.
admin, a host.
I am clicking, sir, but
Hello.
Yes, you are audible, sir.
madam, I am clicking, but I can't.
Please call Nanna. Wait, wait.
Nanna, come fast.
बोलना मोठे.
Hello.
It's done now.
Hello? Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, you are
Yes,
audible.
done.
Okay, okay.
Have you made him
Thank you, ma'am.
host? Okay.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you clearly.
Now I can start.
Yes, sir.
Thank you all. Hello.
We can hear, sir. We can hear you.
Okay. Now we are see a very glamorous and very interesting presentation by Saili Mahajan ma'am. I think she is well prepared, and and her presentation is so much interesting, and I enjoyed, and I think it's a very useful things for us. And now I describe myself. I am Muhammad Mustafa Kamal. I am a head teacher of a government primary school in Bangladesh, Netrokona district. My school is a rural area, and I lived in a municipality in Netrokona district, Mohanganj Upazila. My school areas, most of the guardians are low income persons, and they are unconscious their students study. So it is too much difficult for me to ensure quality education for them. Many of the students are not come properly in the school, or daily not come the school. Many of the students come from the day laborers. Their parents are day labor, so they helps their parents in the agricultural or field, or any many way. I think in our Bangladesh, government take necessary steps for our ensure quality education, but many obstacles for that we cannot ensure quality education. But I think I am not prepared for my presentation today. I think when we will meet next, I will made a slide to presentation. I have completed masters in Bengali and another masters in education from Brack University. I know that Tamil Nadu and activity-based learning when I studied Brack University. I have a thesis, and my research topic is the role of head teacher in ensuring joyful environment in GPS of Bangladesh, and it published in the Indian journal IJARI. I visited many parts of India. I visited Delhi, Agra, Calcutta, Kashmir, Srinagar, Jammu, and Chennai, Vellore also. I am a traveler, and I most like travel. In our Bangladesh, many of the places I visited. I like to develop my school's education system, and I try and I work heart and soul. And I think one day I will successful, and I will ensure quality education. So no more today. Today I will not prepared, and I have no presentation slide, so I could not presented you my school's pictures. I think when we will meet later, I will make slides, my school's pictures, and I will show you later. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Saili ma'am, you can tell about your book that is taking shape.
Yes, madam.
You can tell about your new book that is coming soon.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for reminding. Sir, actually, I from February 2020, I was on cancer leave because I was detected cancer and my treatment was going on for a year. And during this cancer leave, I have written a book and its name is Experimenting English Classroom, in which all these means from 2007 I was conducting different kind of teaching and learning activities inside my classroom, outside my classroom. And so I have collected all these activities and in a simple English I have given guideline for the teacher, so that any teacher of the world can read out that activity, means aim of the activity, material needed, time needed, place needed, and which level it suits, etc., etc. Everything information is given there. So in this way there are near about 35 to 40 teaching activities are there in my book, and a small action research is also there. There are 4 parts in that book. Very soon, means within 1 or 2 months, that book will be published on Amazon Kindle also, and hard copy will also be published at the same time. So I will inform you, and not only English but any language teacher can teach language through activities by reading that book. Means it is not that only English teaching is done, but any language, French, Japanese, or any language can be taught through all those activities. So thank you, Vidya ma'am. And again, ma'am, we have to plan our next meeting today. We all 4 have to fix the timing of the next meeting today, so that we will
Okay.
be prepared for that, either tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whatever.
On Sunday morning, it's okay.
No problem.
Today is
No problem.
Thursday, no? Friday,
Yes.
Saturday. On Sunday morning, we will take the meeting at I think 9 o'clock. So, do you have any problem?
Yes,
Suhas?
It's okay for
no,
me.
I think
Time
it's
is
well.
okay.
You know that tomorrow is Eid al-Fitr in
Yeah.
our country, and Muslim community. So it's a big festival. So I think Sundays 9 a.m. is wild time for us.
Okay, it's okay on Sunday morning. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. It's
Yes.
Sunday. Sunday 9 p.m. Indian time.
9 a.m. No, sir. A.m. No.
Oh, AM in the morning.
9 a.m. Sunday morning.
Huh?
Yeah, evening.
In the
Yes,
morning.
tell you.
Ma'am, if they feel 9 p.m., then it will also be okay.
Okay, then we will keep on 9 p.m.
9 p.m.
9
will also be
morning.
okay.
I think 9 morning is good.
Morning is good.
9 morning also good.
Okay. Okay.
I think 9 morning is good.
Salil madam.
What about Zoha, sir?
It's okay, but I prefer 9 p.m.
Okay,
because-
it's okay.
but it's okay. I can join 9 a.m. too.
9 p.m. is very cool time.
Yeah. That
Because,
time we can
yeah,
free.
and it is very hot in the morning also here.
So 9 p.m. will
Okay,
be
no
okay.
problem. I will join with you 9.
Okay.
PM.
Okay, 9 p.m. will okay.
9
On
in the
Sunday.
evening. Okay.
9 p.m.
On Sunday. On coming
Bye.
Sunday, okay.
Okay. Bye. Good night.
Ma'am, what about
Coming
Saturday?
Sunday.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir told us that Sonone sir said that we should complete this project within a month, and we have to take 15 sessions.
Yes, yes.
Then every week we have to take 3 sessions.
Every week, 3
Yeah.
sessions.
They told us to take 4, but we can take 3. Don't you think it's too late on Sunday? What about Saturday, sir?
Saturday.
Saturday, Sunday,
I
both.
have no problem.
Okay, we will take on Saturday, 9 p.m.
It's okay, ma'am.
Because-
No problem for me too.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, then we will take Saturday, 9 p.m.
Madam, shall I create the WhatsApp group of our 4?
Yes, sure.
Yeah,
That will be
Yes.
nice for communication.
yeah.
Yeah, it is
will be good
necessary.
for us.
It is
It will be
it is very
good for us.
necessary.
Okay.
Yes. Thank
Then,
you.
okay, bye. Bye. See you. Good night. Good night.
Okay.
Thank you
Sir,
so much.
sir, please create the
Okay,
link.
bye.
Zoha, sir, please
Yes.
create the link of this recording.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Good night.
Thank
Okay, bye.
Thank you,
Sir,
bye.
Eid Mubarak.
okay, bye.
Eid Mubarak.
Mubarak
Eid
for you.
Mubarak to
Bye.
all.
Love you.
Night.
Thank you so much.
Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak to all.
Eid Mubarak.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. See you.